Despite an uptick in some poll numbers, the opposition People's National Party, PNP, appears to be finding it difficult to strike chord with the voters.
This based on the findings of the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll, in which 1,113 people were asked to rate the performance of the opposition and the opposition leader.
Now, they were interviewed from July 16 to 26. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
The opposition PNP had a massive defeat in the 2020 general elections, winning only 14 of the 63 seats. That loss led to a change in party leader. Dr. Peter Phillips resigned and Mark Golding was elected PNP president after beating Lisa Hanna, who has since announced she will be leaving representational politics. Over the past 2 years, the opposition has been vocal about several issues, including the government's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic and steps taken to cushion the effects of the rising cost of living. However, there are still talks of disunity within the party. So, how do Jamaicans view the performance of the PNP as an opposition? 6% said very good and 10% good.
Overall, 16% rated the performance positively.
38% thought the performance was average. Roughly 4 out of 10 Jamaicans also gave the opposition a negative rating. 26% said the performance was poor and 20% very poor. Pollster Don Anderson compared the results to previous polls.
It's very interesting to note, in 2018, 56% had a negative rating, a negative perspective of the PNP as an opposition. That fell to 42% in 2019, but went back up to 57% in 2020. Fell to 52% in 2021 and is down to 46% in 2022. So we can see that there are fewer people who are rating the PNP's performance negatively. And by extension, a relatively small increase in those who are rating it positively, 6% over the last measure, which was in 2021.
Now, Jamaicans also had strong views about opposition leader Mark Golding.
We have a total combined 18% of the people we interviewed who rated Mark Golding's performance as positive.
The breakdown, 7% said very good and 11% good. 43% were in the middle, thinking his performance was average. In total, 39% had a negative view of the opposition leader, 21% said poor, and 18% very poor. Again, a comparison to recent surveys.
In 2022, Mark Golding's performance rating, the positive component of it, moved from 11 percentage points in 2021 to 18 percentage points in 2022. So that's an increase of 7 percentage points over the period.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
And now, come tomorrow, Tuesday, September 6, we will release the data on the best and worst performing government ministers.